Hello everyone, I am Vanessa.
I'm Angel.
I'm Cesia.
So, have a pleasant morning to one and all.
So for today, we are going to create a virtual machine and configure a guest operating system in Ubuntu.
So, the first thing to do is to download the VirtualBox. You need to select the appropriate download package for your operating system. You must also download the ISO file of the Ubuntu. Since we already downloaded it both, we will now proceed to the next phase. Double-click the VirtualBox file to open. Upon opening, a welcome greeting will appear on your screen, so click Next. You may also change the current destination folder of it. Click OK, then Next. In this part, you will be temporarily disconnected to your network. To proceed, select Yes. Afterwards, click Install to begin the installation process. The VirtualBox is now installed. To create a guest operating system, find New button to open a dialog. Since I want to install Ubuntu, I will type Ubuntu. I will also change the destination folder. The VirtualBox automatically changes type to Linux and version to Ubuntu 64-bit. Click Next. Select the memory you want to allocate to your system. Since we are going to use Linux, it's not going to be as resource intensive as Windows, so it won't be that much memory. So we will allocate 2048 megabytes. The processor should be 2. Then click Next.
Using an existing virtual hard disk, this file has its advantages, but to keep this uncomplicated, make sure that you should create a virtual hard disk. Now it's selected, then click Create. Continue to accept the default VDI drive file type and click Next.
In this step, storage in physical hard drive, it must be dynamically allocated, so the guest operating system will not use the space on your physical hard drive. Then select Next. This screen will decide which location you should not need to change. You may also change the virtual hard drive size on how much the data from the virtual machine will be stored on your drive. We will just leave it on the default of 10 gigabytes. After that, click Create to see more details on the guest operating system, then select Details.
Next step, go to Settings, which is to the right of New. In System, select the Processor tab. You may adjust the processor slider into 2. In Display, drag the slider of the video memory to the right. Enable 3D acceleration and enable 2D video acceleration. This will give you a graphic experience. Next, go to Storage, then add the ISO file that was downloaded on your computer. Then select Empty to the right where it says IDE. Below this, select the disk to the right. From the menu, select the Choose Virtual Optical Disk File. After that, find the location where you saved the ISO file for Ubuntu. In Shared Folder, select the icon on the upper right to navigate the folder you want to share with the guest or host operating system. In this part, I will only leave this as read-only and auto-mount the uncheck, then select OK. You can see the screen that the Ubuntu has been added. Click on Start button. A welcome screen appears. Select Install Ubuntu to begin the process. Choose your keyboard layout. After that, you may also test if your keyboard is working and select Continue. In this part, you need to click Normal Installation and install third-party software. Then select Continue.
In this installation tab, select the Erase Disk. Since there's no detected operating system yet, then install now and continue. A welcome screen to Ubuntu will appear. Wait for the installation for your operating system. Choose your time zone, then continue. In this part, you will going to type your name and your computer's name will automatically fill. Set your password. Confirm your password. Afterwards, choose whether you will log in automatically or required password to log in. Then select Continue, but I will choose required password to log in. Since it's done installing, the installation complete message appears requiring to restart your computer. Click Restart Now. So guys, this is the end of our video presentation in creating a virtual machine and configuring a guest using Ubuntu operating system.
So we hope that you learned something from our video presentation. Thank you for watching.